how to fix Facebook featured photo not appearing. So if you're facing a problem with Facebook featured photo, then first of all, let's open up our Facebook application. And then after opening, here on the upper right side, you will have a 3-bar icon. Tap on that and then go for your profile. And here if you scroll down, you will have this option which is edit public details. Under your collection, tap on that and then scroll down, and here you will have your featured collection, right? So you can simply tap on edit, which is on the upper right side of that feature, and here you will have this feature. So if you are facing an issue with this, like if you are not being able to see your featured collection, then you can simply tap on new, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then you can select it from your camera roll, or you can also select it from your Facebook, your uploaded photos. And after selecting, you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then you can go for save, which is on the bottom of your screen. And after saving, you can simply delete your previous collection. So that's it. And if you are facing a problem, then you can simply again upload that on your featured collection, and then you can delete your past featured collection. So that's the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.